Oke, Pak Bro.
Grey and Wednesday too. Thursday, I don't care about you. It's Friday.